AI can now write content, it can generate code, it can create design, and it can build presentations. Basically, everyone in marketing right now is behaving like बस जीपीटी करवा लो और क्लॉड यूज करवा लो और काम हो जाएगा. But you know what AI still cannot do? It cannot handle the last minute client changes, random urgent calls at late nights, missing website address and following up for that, delayed approvals, and just one small change which somehow becomes 47 revisions. Right? That's where project managers department comes in. And trust me, after spending years with the marketing and website development projects, these are some regular things. I have realized something very interesting, that AI is not reducing the need of project managers, but it actually exposing which team never had a proper system in place. Because earlier, teams used to say that execution takes time, but now AI can do all the execution for you. It can generate wireframes, it can create SEO content, build landing pages, automate reports, write ad copies, even generate code snippets. Execution is becoming faster every single month. And despite of all this, projects are still getting delayed and still there are very complex situations. And the reason is very, very simple, is that real problem was never execution. The real problem was coordination. Let me explain this with a real example, right? So a client comes to you and say that I need a website for my business. It's a very simple request, but it's very vague. It does not imply anything that what kind of a website, how do you need it, but what happens internally. The designer waits for the content. The content writer is waiting for SEO keyword. SEO team waits for competitor analysis, and the developer waits for final UI approval. And the client keeps on waiting for updates. First and the foremost thing, the client has not given proper brief. Then there the project managers sitting be like, guys, at least someone reply in the comment group. But this is exactly why PMs are becoming more important in AI era, because modern website developments is no longer just homepage, about page, contact page, and launch, right? And the so today website is actually a lead generation system. This is what I think. It's a lead generation system. It's a sales funnel. It's a SEO asset, a retargeting engine, a CRM entry point, and an analytics ecosystem. Which means that project manager today is not just managing developers anymore. PM has to be like this, who can connect things together and connect with SEO, paid campaigns, website workflows, uh, do the analytics, do the automation, connect with CRM team, email marketing team, do the complete content strategy on his own, plan the conversion tracking, and define customer journey. And honestly, this is where most businesses struggle right now, because many businesses still thinks that website बन गया है और marketing भी हो जाएगा, ठीक है? But no, a website without a system is just an expensive brochure, right? So modern PM now need to think like a digital growth operator. For example, I'm taking an example again. Before even starting a website project, a PM should already think about who or how will user come to the website. It can be through SEO, Meta ads, Google ads, LinkedIn, email campaigns, and there are many other platforms right now as well. LLMs are also there. And then what happens after user lands? Are we tracking conversions? Are we capturing leads? Are we retargeting visitors? Are we automating follow-ups? Are we measuring drop-offs? Right? Are we doing that? No, I don't know. Because if this thinking is missing, even beautiful, beautiful website fail. And trust me, AI is making this even more important now, because tools are becoming extremely powerful. Teams are using GPT, Claude, Gemini, right? They are using name a tool, Figma AI, right? They are using Midjourney, uh, Zapier, right? And Make, N8, and HubSpot AI, right? These are the some top tools, but there are other tools as well. So these tools are being used. But here's the funny part. Everyone is automating tasks, but nobody is fixing the workflow. This is what I believe in the Raj Shimani podcast also I heard earlier. The workflows are where business actually grows. And that's why I believe that future project manager is not just coordinator, the future PM becomes a digital growth operator. So someone who understand about system, understand about communication, AI, automation, SEO, analytics, email marketing, customer journey, right? Conversion flows, right? Operations. This is how a complete digital marketing project manager will look like. Now let me share a very practical workflow I believe that every PM should follow, and this is what I have learned as well. The step one would include the planning. So use the tool like Notion, Google Docs, Miro, Figma, right? Or any other tool you have in mind, please feel free to share. And create sitemap, user workflow, create page goals, CTA mapping, okay, and internal mapping as well. In the step two, SEO planning before development. This is something I feel should be done. SEO planning before development, because most teams don't do SEO before, they do it after website launch. So I believe that's a big mistake, because before development, keyword planning, page intent, URL structure, schema, right, internal linking needs to be thoroughly thought, right? How we are going to do that. And we can use the tools for them like Href is there, SEMrush, Google Search Console is there, right? These are the top tools that we can utilize. Uh, Step three is defining the development workflow. We need to keep a track on the staging links which we are creating, how QA is being done, how the website is mobile responsive or not, speed optimized, and obviously approval timelines are very, very important. For this, I believe the project management tools will help a lot, like ClickUp, Rike, Jira, Trello, Slack for communication. Last but not the least, I mean, it's a analytics setup, right? I think this is the very where most team fail, where every website should have GA4, Google Tag Manager, Metapixel, event tracking, and Search Console setup. Because without tracking, marketing becomes guesswork completely. Step five. Uh, Now this is most important thing with the coming automation and AI era, is like automation and lead setup. So once lead comes, what happens next? Do they get emails? Do they receive WhatsApp followers? Right? Uh, do they enter into any CRM, or do they get segmented? Right? So this is where some tools are very important to set up. Like Hotspot is there. Go high level. Zoho, Zapier, Mailchimp, Make.com. Right? These are the kind of tools that can be utilized. So with this become powerful, and honestly, the agencies that understand this complete ecosystem will dominate in the next few years, because in the AI era right now, execution is becoming cheaper, but clarity, systems, alignment, communication, and decision making are becoming premium skills. That's why PMs are becoming more important than ever, right? That's all for now. Keep checking my videos and let me know that where I can improve and what you want to learn more. And I will keep sharing my insights, my videos about AI workflow, digital marketing operations, brand growth learning, right? Realities of a different agency. And I am building a community for marketers where you can also join this community and You can connect it. Thank you. See you in the next video.